Within the past few months, I have researched 100 faceless YouTube channels, and I have the 3 best niches that can potentially make you $35,000 a month. By the way, if you want to save all that time of starting a YouTube or TikTok channel from scratch and you want to start earning money right now from your first video, I recommend 100accounts.com. There you can get your YouTube or TikTok channel monetized and ready to make money. You have the link in the description or in the pinned comment that a lot of faceless creators are making thousands of dollars, including myself, by creating videos like this. So by the end of this video, you'll understand why niche research is crucial and how it can benefit you. I'll also walk you through the exact steps I use to uncover all these niches. If your goal is to launch a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, make sure to watch this video until the end. First off, I've got a little gift for you, a Google Doc where I've laid out every single step from every niche, every single prompt, from setting up your channel to the final cut of your video. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments, so make sure you check that out. I've spent countless hours researching, learning, and preparing this just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you'd like to see more content like this, and keep that Google Doc open. We're going through this together, step by step. Niche 1, what if videos? Alright guys, the leading channel in this niche boasts over 8 million subscribers, with their top video amassing a staggering 20.5 million views. A quick glance at Social Blade reveals this channel isn't just surviving, it's flourishing, basically minting cash. So, if you're eager to jump into the content creation game, stick with me to the end, and I'll provide you with the tools to make some viral what-if videos. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Navigate to ChatGPT and request some what-if video concepts. Check these out. Pretty awesome, huh? You can keep the ideas flowing until you hit on something that resonates. Once you've selected your topic, instruct ChatGPT to draft a 10,000 character script. But don't just go for any old script. Ensure it's infused with humor, storytelling, and creative flair. We aim to captivate our audience, so every word must count. With your script ready, you'll need around 30 detailed prompts for your scenes. You can opt for budget-friendly tools like Ideogram or Hailuo, but if you're willing to spend a little, premium video generators are where the real magic happens. I'll guide you through using Video Ocean AI, an amazing new text-to-video tool. Here's how you start with Video Ocean. Find the link in this video's description. Copy one of your ChatGPT prompts and go to their text-to-video tool. Select a resolution and aspect ratio that matches your vision, then insert your prompt. Feel free to adjust for close-ups or any specific details. Hit generate and voila, you've got your video. If it's not quite right, just tweak and try again until you're satisfied. Next up, we're creating the voiceover with Jammable, though feel free to look into other options like 11 Labs. Choose your voice. You could go mainstream, or if you're after something unique, dive deep into the voice library. Select your character, paste your script from ChatGPT into the text box, hit generate, and there you have it, your voiceover. For background tracks, if you've got some cash to splash, there are fantastic premium collections available, but for those watching their wallet, YouTube's audio library is a solid fallback. Now, let's assemble everything in CapCut. Import your clips and layer the voiceover on the timeline. Trim any silent parts to maintain engagement, then organize the clips to follow your story's narrative. The video's coming together nicely, so let's slap on a filter. Pick your favorite, or for this example, we'll use this one. Extend it across the entire video. We won't bother with animations since the clips are already dynamic, but feel free to add some if you're using images. Next, we'll add captions, choosing a style that suits. Export your masterpiece in 1080p. Here's our final video result.
What if robots took over all jobs? Imagine a world where every single task, big or small, was managed by machines. From brewing your morning coffee to performing intricate brain surgeries, robots have taken over it all. At first, it seemed like a dream come true, an era of convenience and efficiency. But as we dive deeper, the question arises, what would life really look like in this robotic utopia?
Niche 2. Animal rescue videos. This niche strikes at the heart of human emotion. Here's how you can leverage AI to create content that not only entertains, but also touches lives. First, you'll need to set up your channel. Start with a name that resonates. Use ChatGPT to generate a list. You might prompt it like this: create channel names for an animal rescue niche. Once you've settled on a name, it's time for branding. For your logo, again, use AI tools like Ideogram. Describe what you envision. Perhaps a paw print with a heart or a silhouette of an animal being lifted to safety. You'll find some example prompts in the Google Doc in the description. After choosing your logo, move to your banner. Use the same technique, ensuring the banner reflects the emotional rescue narrative. Now, crafting your channel description. Another job for ChatGPT. Ask it to write something engaging yet concise, focusing on the emotional impact of animal rescues. Once your channel's identity is set, it's time for SEO. Tag your channel with terms like animal rescue, pet adoption, heartwarming stories, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. For content creation, start with story story ideas. Again, I can help here. Prompt ChatGPT with something like, create scenarios for animal rescue videos with a happy ending. From these ideas, pick one or blend a few for a unique narrative. Next, we generate images. The tool Imagine Art AI is perfect for this. For each scene in your story, describe exactly what you need. A dog being rescued from a storm drain, daylight, realistic style. Generate multiple images for each scene and maintain visual consistency across your narrative. Turning these images into video is where AI really shines. With Video Ocean AI, upload your images in their image-to-video tool, paste some prompts from ChatGPT used for image movement to ensure context, and let AI animate these static images. You will find the link to Video Ocean AI in the video's description. Editing in CapCut or another tool, arrange your clips. Trim any unwanted parts, ensuring each clip transitions smoothly into the next. For sound, visit Pixabay for effects like barking, meowing, or the sounds of rescue operations. Over this, lay a gentle, non-intrusive background track from YouTube's audio library to complement the mood without overpowering the visuals. Here's our final video result. A small tip on monetization. These videos often see rapid growth due to their emotional pull. Monitor your analytics to understand what resonates with your audience, and don't shy away from sharing these stories across other platforms for greater reach. Niche 3, Celebrity AI Videos. There's a YouTube channel named The Door Brothers. They don't show their faces, but managed to pull in 15 million views in 1 month, earning up to $55,000 from ad revenue alone. Their videos are doing incredibly well, and surprisingly, they also have a successful website and Instagram account with over 40,000 followers. We'll split the process into 2 parts. Step 1 with 4 stages and Step 2 with 5 stages. Let's begin with Step 1, Stage 1, Channel Naming. Head to the Google Doc for channel name prompts, which give you suggestions based on your niche. Now let's open ChatGPT. Paste the prompts and see the various names it suggests. Choose one, copy it, and paste it into Notepad. Stage 2, the channel logo. Again, go to the Google Doc, copy the logo prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT for logo ideas. Pick one, copy, and paste into Notepad. Stage 3, channel banner. Copy the banner prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT for ideas, choose one, and save it in Notepad. Stage 4, the About section. Copy the About section prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, which will generate a unique and engaging About section. Copy this and paste it into Notepad. Now, we're ready to set up the channel. Go to YouTube, click on the account icon in the top right, select Switch Account, then Add Account. You can use an existing Gmail or create a new one for the channel. Now, click the account icon again, select Create Channel, enter the channel name from Notepad, and wait a few minutes for the channel to be created. Check it by selecting View Channel, then customize it. Paste the About section into the description area. For the logo, use Imagine Art AI. You'll find the link to this AI in the description of this video. Paste the logo prompt and generate. Then upload it to your channel and adjust as needed. For the banner, repeat with the banner prompt, setting the aspect ratio to 16:9. Download. Then, if resizing is needed due to free plan limitations, upload this back to YouTube, adjust, and publish. Moving to Step 2, Video Creation. Stage 1 is generating ideas. Use the Google Doc to find video idea prompts. Paste into ChatGPT for ideas, choose one, and get a script or story outline. In my case, I decided that the video would have a Christmas theme. Stage 2, Image Prompt Generation. Copy the image prompts from the Google Doc to ChatGPT for scene-specific images. Stage 3, Image Generation. Use Imagine Art AI again, paste prompts, set aspect ratio, generate, and download images. Stage 4, Turning images into video. Here, we can use various AI tools, but I recommend Video Ocean AI. You'll find the link in the description. Upload images, specify movements, and generate the video, adjusting if necessary. Stage 5, Adding music. For music, YouTube's audio library offers free tracks, or you can experiment with AI music from platforms like Suno AI, though be cautious about usage rights on free plans. After setting up the channel and creating the video elements, edit everything in CapCut, arrange scenes, scenes, add music, effects, and text, ensuring the video aligns well. Export and you're done with your AI video creation process. Here's our final video result.
Sleigh bells on the beat, jingling nocturnal. Bass hitting hard, make it feel infernal. Street lights twinkle, winter's icy breath. Black hoodies in the snow, dancing with death. Whip filled with gifts, Santa's got swag. Gritty vibes, popping tags at the bag. Chimney stacks, sleigh rides on the block. Booming kicks, echo through the flock. Jingle bells, trap spells, streets on fire. Heartbeats sync with boom and bass desire. Sharp hi-hats cut through cold night air. Christmas cheer in the hood beyond compare. Reindeer pulling up, can't stand still. Frostbitten tips, but hearts got that thrill. North Pole ice melted, drip like gold. Gingerbread houses, stories untold. Hood carolers, voices deep and bold. Snowflakes fall, yet the blocks stay cold. Rudolph's red gleam, headlights on patrol. Festive energy spilling out the soul. Trees lit in alleys, glitter through the grime. Mistletoe hanging, love in its prime.
The Door brothers are a testament to this niche's potential, earning significant revenue while keeping their faces off-screen. Monetization tips. To start, you need to know the basic rule for monetization. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The key is to focus on one niche, upload at least 33 videos to build momentum, and make sure your content is top-notch. To keep viewers watching, use hooks, particularly in the first 30 seconds of your videos. Even simple thumbnails can be effective if they grab attention. Mimic what's working in your niche. Remember, longer videos help you rack up watch hours, so use playlists to keep viewers on your channel. Engaging with your audience by replying to comments can foster a loyal community. For SEO, make sure you're using keywords effectively. I'll leave a tool that can make this easier in the description. By the way, if you want to save all that time of starting a YouTube or TikTok channel from scratch and you want to start earning money right now from your first video, I recommend 100accounts.com. There you can get your YouTube or TikTok channel monetized and ready to make money. You have the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And remember, consistency and creativity will be your best friends on YouTube. Check out the Google Doc in the description for all the prompts and additional resources. And for those interested, I'll link an SEO tool in the description which you can try for just $1. Thanks for watching this guide. Let's get your YouTube channel on the path to success.